May panawagan ng Philippine Olympic Committee kasunod ng pagkapanalo ng ating men's curling team ng gold medal sa Asian Winter Games. Sana raw ay magkaroon ng suporta para magkaroon ng training facility rito para sa winter sport. Ang Sports Bites hatid ni Darlene Kai.
Umukit ng kasaysayan ng Philippine men's curling team nang makuha ang kauna-unahang Winter Games medal ng Pilipinas sa 9th Asian Winter Games sa Harbin, China. Balik bansa ng buong koponan na sinalubong ng mga proud na fans at mga opisyal mula sa Philippine Sports Commission at Philippine Olympic Committee. Hindi raw sila makapaniwala sa nakamit na tagumpay, lalo't mula sa number 51 sa world rankings, hawak ngayon ng Pilipinas ang gintong medalya.
This is an absolute historic win. We went into that tournament with high ambitions.
We didn't expect to get so far, but we could manage to pull out the gold, and that's unbelievable.
The impact with the crowd and the friendly people over there, that was such amazing.
It's just amazing. Again, we won the game after the last stone. And
hindi pa kasi ganun kasikat sa Pilipinas ang winter sport na curling na tinatawag ding chess on ice. Kombinasyon nito ng physical skills at strategy kung saan ang goal ng magkalabang team ay mapadulas ng stones papunta sa target. Walang curling facility dito sa Pilipinas kaya sa Switzerland pa sila nagte-training. Kaya panawagan nila magkaroon na sana ng curling facility dito.
We will request the expenses. Sobrang gastos nito, hindi biro to. We really need that financial support to sustain even the developmental stage.
We hope that they would learn to love floor curling, and hopefully that would be the jump-off point for these floor curlers to become actual ice curlers in the future.
Inaasikaso na raw ng POC ang courtesy call ng Curling Pilipinas sa Malacanang. Magbabalik training agad ang curling athletes bilang paghahanda sa pre-Olympic qualifying event para magtuloy-tuloy na ang kanilang laban hanggang sa 2026 Winter Olympics. Darlene Kai, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.